Tower of London.
She wants a picture there because she said it's very nice. But do your photograph so it's closer. Your 1.5, whatever it's called.
Actually, we still have time to pop in a quick to Oxford.
You can go over there and
Lie. Hello. Where's the ship? Where's the ship? Oh. Hello, why you did it tell me early? Hala, inana din siya bubakon.
Because you're too busy yakking.
Yeah, she's so amazed. Pero what video focus po? Na. Why man na? Kay wala may barcode ako.
To let the ship go.
Where's the ship?
I don't know yet. There must be something.
See, nice guy, no? I've been here for a very long time. Hala! There!
Taas kaayo si Pirates of the Caribbean.
Take the video.
Yeah! It's like
Pang ano mo ba YouTube?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
There's an old wooden one as well.
Pang YouTube nimo.
That's why the bridge went up.
Napadyoy
Lucky to be in the right place at the right time.
Napadyoy eroplano sa ibabaw. Hala. Ito na dito nila. Wow. See? There's an airplane. It's like a lamok. Hantod mo down.
Now it's coming back down.
Oh, yeah.
I witnessed the kuan. Ta. Sorry, naog na.
Is that for tourists? That one is still that ship? Maybe, no?
No, dili ka mag uniform man. More dili oy mag special mas gana.
Oh, timing nga, oy. Nag-down na siya.
Nako. Kuan tubig naman dira Martin oh.
Later.
Eh?
She wants water.
Water? Have you drunk all your water?
No, it's there.
It's there?
It's in your bag. That's where I unbolin on. Not sure.
Finish na.
Yeah, na but
See?
Wata sa iya
Na di ra ba ganahan si Martin na ito ang tingog nga
I
prolong.
don't think I have any waterfall.
Ay,
There's
maybe
only
she
one.
just. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
hers.
Thank you.
I think it's the best day you picked today, darling.
Yeah.
Oh, the weather was definitely going to be best today.
Well, you weren't sure yesterday.
No, because I knew it was going to be cloudy.
No, but you said, oh, I'm not. Oh my God. I said, oh, I'm not. Oh, it's miserable. Oh. Nag-yo-yo sa background.
That's it. It's all
That's
down
it.
now.
Yeah. And there's another one. Oh.
No, they were underneath. They fit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Welcome to Tower of London. Nag-video ka. Ay. Wow. Nindot na ganing magabi idrelay no?
Oh, nindot ron.
Kay naa siya lights.
Nindot ta siya kanang lights pero pwede nitong nawa o kanang kuan. Wala din na yung next picture dayo dia oh.
Ay,
lalaki.
sige.
Iyo.
She wants a picture there because she said it's very nice.
What's the name? Burger? Uy! Dito lang ka na kay tao. Lagi. Pila kang naong? Ayaw lang. Kapicture ka din yun?
Yeah. Lahang ko, no?
They got these AOL positions.
Saan po dito?
Yeah. Hey,
Kung siya may klaro.
Nanulod sila mo di ay.
They're playing the bottom in the tower.
Yeah, 416. That's the queue.
Next time.
Yeah.
Next time na lang.
Yeah.
Kaya at least napo tayo pang karon may kahuton mapudayon nato nate kay experience next time. So far na po bitaw no kita bitaw na gossip at the Juliet mo. Ano bihat tulog ko.
Nanadyo pinadulit. Pinadulit. Just liver. Halalay. Gusto ko dira lay. Naadari ang peanut ni Mama Turn. Kanawa ang kasada ng bakod.
Tindog. Bakod jud.
Yeah. Ang kasada ni bakod.
Oh, it's the same.
That's the one. Yeah.
Hey, come watch.
It's a tourist maybe. Yeah.
Watch the bridge going down.
Yeah. Muna na o nilabang. It's a tourist, is diba? Ah. I will watch the gate, open the gate. Ito ya, itong gitindugan.
You'll be out of battery by tonight, won't you?
Oh, it's 31.
Oh.
Hala no. Nabilot na siya like. Ah.
And then all big mad rush.
Yeah.
You watch.
Hala di puta.
Manual dito siya.
Oh.
Manual.
La, it's
No,
automatic.
it's automatic probably, but he locks it to make sure that no one can squeeze by.
Ah.
So he's probably operated now with a mechanical. It's probably so both sides open at the same time as well.
It's red light pa. And the people also should have to wait, no?
Yeah, we can't go until the...
Yeah.
It's better we're here. They get a picture.
Stand by bridge staff about to road traffic. All vehicles are requested to wait for a green traffic light. Wait for a green traffic light before moving off.
May magsugat na sila. Oh, it's open na. Hala.
They can't wait.
Hala!
They're all mad.
Yeah. It's still red.
It's like a race.
Yeah. Oh my God. Sila sa mas latest. Daghan na kayong tao, as in,
We want to make the best of the good day though. Can you imagine if the weather is so good?
Kisay engineer ani. I heard that. I heard that. Yeah. Sige na, Estela.